Okay. Noise figure analysis of noise figure analysis related to radar receivers. Radar receivers. This one is a receiver communication system. Receiver communication system. Here some antenna is there. Antenna is receiving energy from the free space connected here. Signal information as well as noise information. Here noise Ni. Output of the receiver is signal output is S0. Noise output is N0. The gain of the receiver communication system is capital G. Noise figure is Fn. Noise figure is Fn. Okay. Sometimes this is the receiver communication system internally generates some noise. That noise is represented by Ns. Added noise within the receiver communication system. This noise is the via an antenna. Ni noise is produced. This noise is called as thermal noise. Ni noise is called as thermal noise. Two types of noises are there here. Ni, that is called thermal noise. Thermal noise or Johnson's noise. Johnson's noise. This noise is due to conduction of electrons in the semiconductor materials or any ohmic regions of the receiver system. Some resistances are there and flow of electrons through the resistance and whatever it may be. This noise is represented by Ni is equal to Kt, Kt not B, where B is called as where B is called as where B is called as bandwidth. Bandwidth bandwidth of an receiver system. Bandwidth of a receiver system. T naught is called as absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. 290 degree Kelvin. K is called as all of you know the Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann's constant. Boltzmann's constant. This is the noise, external noise generated due to conduction of electrons in the ohmic regions. This Ns is called as a system noise. This is here we consider total receiver communication system. Suppose the total receiver communication system is divided into individual blocks, individual subsystem. That means RF amplifier, mixer network, IF amplifier, and detector. These are the some important individual communication blocks, receiver blocks are there. Okay. Here we consider total receiver communication system. How to analyze the uh, figure of merit of total receiver communication system. This is an antenna. Antenna. Via antenna, some noise is enter into that receiver system. Ns is the system noise generated within the communication receiver communication system. Okay. Generally, figure of merit is used to is a metric is used to indicate the quality of communication receiver system. Figure of merit Fn the noise figure. Noise figure. This is the noise figure is a metric. Is a metric used to indicate the quality of communication quality of communication receiver systems. Communication receiver system. Noise figure is also determine the sensitivity of receiver system. This is noise figure is also determine the determine the determine the sensitivity of the receiver system. Okay, these are some important definitions related to noise figure. Now we have to analyze the noise figure. Fn is equal to, according to definition, signal to noise ratio at the input, Si by Ni at the input, and S0 by N0 at the output of the receiver. Signal to noise ratio at the input to the receiver, SNR ratio at the input of the receiver, SNR ratio at the output of the receiver. Si by Na, that is Si by S0, N0 by Ni, N0 by Ni. Here in this block diagram, the gain is equal to S0 by Si, output signal power by input signal. Also gain is equal to output noise by input noise. These two terms are very, very important. These definitions are related to signal power and noise power. Fn is equal to Si, according to gain is equal to, we know that gain is equal to S0 by Si. S0 is equal to G into Si. S0 is replaced with G into Si. Here N0 and Ni. N0 and Ni. Si cancel, that is equal to N0 G into Ni. But N0 is equal to N0, suppose N0 is equal to G is equal to output noise by input noise. Therefore N0 is equal to G into Ni. Here G into Ni. Here G into Ni. Therefore noise figure is equal to 1. If system noise is not considered. System noise is not considered. That means the meaning is Ns is equal to 0. This is a system noise generated within the receiver. Suppose the system noise is also included. Therefore, noise figure is equal to N0 plus Ns by G into Ni. This is a system noise included, appeared at the output of the receiver communication system. N0 is equal to G into Ni plus Ns G into Ni. That is equal to, here Ni is due to noise at the input of the receiver system. Here Ni is the noise at the input of the receiver system. This is also called as thermal noise. This noise is due to movement of conduction of electrons or the ohmic region portion. Some noise is produced. That is equal to KT naught. T naught is very, very important. Absolute temperature. At absolute temperature, KT naught B plus Ns G into KT naught B. KT naught B. Fn G KT naught B is equal to G KT naught B plus Ns. Find out the system noise. From this expression, the system noise Ns is equal to Fn G KT naught B minus G KT naught B. G K T naught B Fn minus 1. This is the system noise formula. This is the system noise. Very, very important equation, this one. Okay, now Fn is equal to another, have to derive another expression, that is second expression. Fn is equal to Si by Ni. We know that this expression Si by Ni, S naught by N naught, that is equal to Si by Ni, N naught by S naught. Si S naught is equal to G into, we know that G into Si into N naught. This Si is cancelled. N naught by G into Ni. Therefore, output noise N naught is equal to, output noise N naught is equal to related to noise figure, system noise figure. This is Fn G into Ni, where Ni is the noise appeared at the input of the receiver communication system. Fn into G into Ni is equal to K T naught B. This is the second expression. This is the second expressions. These two expressions are very, very important. First one is in the receiver communication system, G is equal to output signal power by input signal, output signal power by output signal power, S naught by input signal power. For one expression, G is equal to output noise by input noise. Second expression, figure of merit Fn is equal to signal to noise ratio at the output of the receiver system, receiver communication system, signal to noise ratio at the input of the communication, receiver communication system. S naught by N naught, Si by S naught by N naught. Sorry, this is the wrongly mentioned here. Signal to noise ratio at the input, signal to noise ratio at the output, Si by Ni, S naught by N naught, that is equal to Si by S naught, N naught by Ni. Next one is where let Ns is the system noise is generated within the system, within the receiver communication system, that is equal to K G T naught B Fn minus 1, another expression, and also output noise N naught is equal to Fn G K T naught into B. These are the important points. Or equations related to noise figure analysis of the radar receivers communication system. Okay, now noise figure, second portion is noise figure analysis, of a cascaded systems. Okay, in this case, this is the actual receiver communication system. This actual receiver communication system consists of some individual blocks. The individual blocks are, this is the block 1, this is the block 2, this is the block 3. Block 1, suppose let the block 1 is a RF amplifier, radio frequency amplifier. This one is the mixer network. This one is IF amplifier. Some one more block is also there. This is the detector. In the previous case, consider total receiver communication system and then analysis the total noise figure Fn, total gain G, NS. This NS is the noise generated within the system. Okay, and N0, Si, Ni. Now I will concentrate on individual blocks. Individual blocks, that is called as all these blocks are connected like this. Connected like this. That is called as cascaded connection. That is called as a cascaded connection. Cascaded connection. Now I am going to analyze the noise figure of this cascaded connections. Okay, next step is here consider for derivation simplicity purpose we use this one only two blocks. That means RF amplifier and mixer blocks. Consider two blocks only. This is N0 noise. This one is the antenna. Antenna is projected towards the pre-space. This is the pre-space. This antenna is connected to first one. Okay, here in previous case total communication system, receiver system noise figure is F1 and gain is noise figure is Fn, gain is G. Here individual blocks noise figure is first block F1, gain of the first block is G1. This noise figure F2 and the gain is G2. Here Ni thermal or Johnson's noise. That noise is represented by K0 into B. K0 into B. This output of the output noise that is represented N1 of the first stage. Output noise of the second stage is N1, N0. Okay, now how to analyze noise figure of the cascaded system. Okay, noise figure of the cascaded system. Here NS1 system noise generated. NS1 is the noise generated within the first block, and that is the NS1. NS2 system noise generated in the second block. NS1 formula is, we know that NS1 formula is, general formula is Kg T0B Fn minus 1. Here general formula of NS is K T naught B G into Fn minus 1. Consider total communication system. Here for block 1, block 1, this is the block 1. This one is the block 2. NS1 is equal to K T naught B up to this constant. G is here. G is replaced by, for first block, G1. Noise figure N is equal to 1. For first block, noise figure is Fn minus 1. And similarly, NS2 is equal to K T naught B G1 F2 minus 1 for the first block and the second block. These are the NS1 and the NS2 are internal noise generated within the system block 1 and block 2. This value is KT naught B G1 into F1 minus 1. Here KT naught B G2 into F2 minus 1. Now analyze the total figure of merit metric for the cascaded system. Okay, first we will find out first block N01. N01 noise at the output of the block 1. N01 is equal to G1 into Ni. Here two noises are there. Here Ni noise and NS1 noise. Okay, these two noises are added and produces at the output of the block 1. Therefore, N01 is equal to G1 into Ni plus NS1 system noise. These two noises are added. G1 into Ni is KT not B. Here NS1 is KT not B G1 F1 minus 1. G1 KT not B plus KT not B G1 F1 minus KT not B G1. Here G1 KT not B and KT not B G1 both are equal, cancel. Therefore, N01, this is the N01 noise output of the second block is KT not B G1 into F1. This one N naught is equal to N01 is equal to KT not B G1 into F1. This N1 is the noise input to the Ni2. This N01, this is N01 is the noise output of the first block or first stage that acts as a noise input to the second block, that is N01 is equal to Ni2. Okay, here now N0 is equal to G2 into Ni2 plus NS2. Second, now we have to analyze noise at the output of the second stage or second block. N0 is equal to G2 into noise at the input at the second stage is Ni2 plus NS2. We know that G2 Ni2 is N01 plus NS2. NS2. That is equal to G2 into N01 value here is K T naught B G1 into F1 N01 value plus NS2 value is NS2 value system noise noise generated within the block 2 is KT naught B F2 minus 1 into G2. F2 minus 1 into here G2 is there. Here G2 gain of the second stage is G2. Okay. Here the common term is K T naught B. Here K T naught B. K T naught B and G1 and G2. Here G1 and G2 term is there. Common this one. F1. Here F2 minus 1. KT naught B is G2 is also a common term. Here we use G1. Here we use G1. Therefore, N naught is equal to, first consider two stages only. Considered already considered two blocks. For two blocks, the noise output N naught is equal to KT naught B G1 G2 F1 plus F2 minus 1 by G1. This is the total gain is G. Whenever two stages are cascaded, total gain is the product of these two gains, G1 and G2. And also this is the noise figure. Noise figure of two stages. This is the noise figure. Noise figure. Okay. By using this expression, Consider two blocks with gain is equal to G. G is equal to G1, G2. In a total complete receiver communication system, we know that N naught already derived in the first stage, KT naught B G Fn. Compare this one with this one. Here G is equal to G1 into G2. Fn is equal to F1 plus F2 minus. Here N is equal to two stages. Here N is equal to 2. Substitute above expression N naught KT naught B G F2. Noise figure, total noise figure analysis. Therefore, F2 is equal to F1 plus F2 minus 1 by G1. For two blocks cascaded, the total noise figure is F2 is equal to F1 plus F2 minus 1. This is the total two stages. Two stages here. Please remember, two and this is not two stages. Please, or else suppose n blocks are there. Capital N blocks are cascaded. This is the block 1. This is the block 2. This is the block 3. Noise figure is F1. Gain is G1. Here NS1, F2, G2, NS2, F3, G3. Here NS3, and so on and so forth. Last stage is noise figure is Fn. Gain is Gn, NSN. Here we use cap small n. This is the output noise. N naught. Input noise is Ni. Consider all the blocks. Therefore, the noise figure Fn is equal to F1 plus F2 minus 1 by G1, already derived in previous session. Here consider third block also. F3 minus 1, two gains are added, G1 and G2, and finally n cascaded stages, n blocks, Fn minus 1, Fn minus 1. Here some confusion is there here. Here we use don't confuse. Here nth block. This is the nth block. Noise figure is Fn. Gain is Gn. Okay. This is the block 1, block 2, and block 3. This is the nth block. Fn minus 1, G1, G2, and so on and so forth. Gn minus 1. This is the total noise. Okay. Up to this, this is the completed noise figure analysis of total receiver communication system. Noise figure analysis of individual blocks of that receiver communication system. I hope this concept is clearly understood. Please concentrate on this one.